guys, welcome back to an Edit with me Filmora tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to use Filmora's AI vocal remover. This is really handy if you've got music or sound in the background and want to isolate someone's vocals. Now I'm a gamer and my gaming content needs this often, so stay tuned, hit subscribe, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay guys, I've got some sample clips of playing Fortnite. If you like Fortnite or Minecraft, go check out my channel because that is what I do. Okay guys, so here's the clip. So and you can hear my duo speaking over the background sounds.
Heading to, the same place before.
Select the video in the timeline, right click, and you'll see an option that says AI Vocal Remover. Click on this. Now Filmora's AI tools often have a credit that needs to be applied. This one does not, so this is free. Once it's done, you're going to have two separate tracks underneath the video. What I do is I mute the original, so if you want to do a shortcut for that, it's hold down Control, Shift, and click on M, or just right click and mute. And then I've got two separate tracks. So if I mute the background sound, I can just hear my duo.
Heading to, same place before.
Or if I don't want him to be speaking in the video, I will mute his voice and just have the background sounds. I find this super helpful because I do family-friendly content and sometimes we slip up with some language, and it's really good for us just to be able to remove it and keep the background sounds and not have to cut that entire section out. So guys, thanks for watching. If you want any other specific tutorials on using Filmora, please put them in the comments below. I'll catch you next time.